Hello, my name is Leah from ALEAB.
And I'm Cameron from Leaf.
In this video, we will guide you through the steps to get a social security number as a non-US citizen.
Let's get started.
A social security number, or SSN, is a 9-digit number issued by the US Social Security Administration. It's essential for work, paying taxes, and assessing certain benefits in the US. You need an SSN if you plan to work in the US, apply for a driver's license, open a bank account, or file taxes.
Most non-U.S. citizens, like international students, F1, J1, work visa holders, H1B, L1, or green card holders are eligible to apply. To apply for a Social Security number, you'll need Form SS5, application for a Social Security card, passport with your U.S. visa, I-9 for arrival departure record, and proof of employment or work authorization like your I-20 or your DS-2019.
To apply for a social security number, follow these steps. Complete the form SS5, gather all required original documents, visit your local social security office in person, and submit your application. Then wait about 2 to 4 weeks for your card to arrive by mail. Here are some helpful tips to make the process easier. Arrive early to avoid long lines. Double check that you have all original documents. And always keep your social security card in a safe place. It's important for employment and official records. Need more help? Read the official Social Security Handbook for detailed guidance. If you have questions, we're here to help. Just contact us at ALEAB through our website.
Thank you so much for watching.
Good luck, and don't forget, if you need help, ALEAB is here to help you. Disclaimer: this video is intended as a general support guide for international visitors applying for a social security number. Visa requirements, timelines, and documentation may vary based on individual circumstances. It is your personal responsibility to read the official information provided by the U.S. Social Security Administration, the SSA, and consult your local SSA office to ensure you follow the correct procedures.